Today we'll be taking a look at the Square Direct-Weld Jack with Footplate. This top wind style jack is going to help us lift and lower our trailer whenever we're ready to use it or unload and reload. So flip the handle up and operate that jack. Has a nice easy to grip handle here. So it's a pretty nice wide handle. You can get a good grip on there to wind your jack up or down. This is going to have a lift capacity of 7,000 pounds and a static capacity or support capacity of 8,000 pounds. It does come with the welded-on footplate at the bottom to help disperse out the weight and make sure that we don't sink into any softer ground like gravel, sand, or loose dirt. Comes with the pin and clip to adjust the height on that footplate, so we'll get some additional lift from that drop leg. There are going to be 5 adjustment holes there, and those are each spaced apart by 3.5 inches. I'll put my pin back in place and then we'll go over some measurements. Just get that clip back on there. Now whenever this is fully retracted like it is here, it's going to have a total height from the bottom of the footplate to the top of the handle mount of 24.25 inches. Again, when it's retracted, when it's all the way extended out, it's going to be 39.5 inches. So our total lift is 29 inches. The screw travel, or the amount of travel that we get from the internal components, is 15.25 inches. Our drop leg gives us a total travel of 13.75 inches. Again, our lift capacity, 7,000 pounds, support capacity is 8,000. The outer tube measures 2.25 inches wide. The inner tube measures 2 inches wide. Our footplate measures 7 7/8 inches long by 5 7/8 inches wide. The handle has a radius of 9 3/4 inches. That's going from where it mounts the center of the jack to the outside edge of the handle, so that lets you know how much area you need around the jack for that to get a full swing. So that's 9 3/4 inches. The hole spacing again for our drop leg in between each one is 3.5 inches. The handle, the footplate, and the inner tube all have a zinc coating to help resist any kind of rust and corrosion. And it also has a grease zerk on the front there so that you can get that lubricated and keep everything working nice and smooth. It is a weld-on application, and that's going to do it for our look at the Direct-Weld Jack with Footplate.